Today I'll be reviewing the Maybelline Clear Glow All-in-One Compact Powder. This is what the outer packaging of the compact powder looks like. It comes in this color of the box. It has an SPF of 32. It claims all-day shine control, UV protection, instant fairness, smooth and even skin. So we'll check if it fulfills all the claims. I'm in the shade 04 Sand Beige, and you get 9 gram of products for 225 rupees. So once we open the box, and first we'll talk about the box. It has the claims that it makes over here. It also has the claims here. It explains each of the claim. It says how to use, apply evenly with sponge all over the face and neck, suitable for everyday use. It says oil free, non-comedogenic, sorry for pronouncing it wrong, gentle on skin. So once we open the box, this is what we get in the box. We get a baby pink case like this. Once we open the case, there are two compartments, one for powder and one for the puff, and there's a full-size mirror in here. It also had a plastic covering on the mirror so that the powder particles do not stick on the mirror. So I really like that fact about the mirror. Talking about the powder sponge that we get in this, it's useless. I'll be honest, I do not use this at all because it is useless. You cannot use it for applying powder, because if you use it for applying powder, like if you take some of the powder on the sponge like this and you apply it with this, it just bumps so much in one place. You cannot spread it properly. And the fact that it is so dirty is because I tried to apply foundation with it. It failed. I could not apply foundation with this properly. So I do not use this sponge. Instead I use a powder brush like so for applying this. I just roll the brush on the compact powder lightly. I just part of the excess and I like to apply it like that. And now we'll see if talking about the packaging of the case first. There are all the claims written on this case right here behind. It says all the claims. So talking one by one, it says higher UV protection. Obviously it is SPF 32, so it gives a higher UV protection. Longer wear, yes, it stays on your face for long. It stays on your face for more than 7 hours. And instant brightening, yes, when you apply it, it gives a nice bright face and really nice and fresh face. It conceals. Yes, being a compact powder, it has a good coverage. It really conceals a bit and smoothens. Yes, when you apply this, your skin feels really smooth. It looks even, it feels smooth, and it says evens. Yes, so as I said that it evens your skin. If you look at your skin, it is so even, so smooth. So yes, now it says all day shine control. We'll see the all shine test on this. So I'll be testing it with the oil. So yes, so I'll be applying, as you can see there is some oil on my fingers. I'll be applying this oil on my face, and I'll be testing it for the oil control test, as it says it's all day shine control. So I'm applying the oil where most of the people tend to sweat and get oil. I'm applying it in the T-zone area. I sweat a lot on my face. So yes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some powder on the brush, and then I'm gonna apply it where I applied the oil. So as you can see in one go, this side of the face where I applied the powder is really matte, whereas there is a slight shine on this side. So yes, so it does fulfill the claim of all day shine control. And I would also like to say that it does control sweat. I sweat a lot on my face, and when I applied this I sweat a little bit less. So I really like it. It fulfills all the claims that it makes. And now we'll talk about the concealing part. So I have a pink rash going on my cheek right here. So I'm gonna apply this powder on this rash. So as you can see, this the pinkness of the rash is really less now. It does not look pink now, and on this side it does look pink, right? You can see the rash here. It does look pink, and on this side it does not look pink. I have the same rash going on both my cheeks. So yes, all in one, I'll just apply it on my face and show you the instant brightening that it gives on the face. See, I'm sweating a lot on my this part, so I'll just apply this powder and I'll sweat a bit less. So as you can see, I applied it on my face with the brush, and my face looks a bit bright now. So yes, all in one, it fulfills all the claims that it makes, and I really like the product. And in 225 rupees you get a really nice product. It's just for 225, and you get a good quantity plus a good quality of the product. So I really like this product. You can go ahead and buy this product. Only the thing only that made me sad was it has really less shades. Like I'm in the shade 04 and this is the last shade. So 01, 02, 03 are really light. So as per my skin tone, they were really light. The darkest shade matched my skin tone. So I don't know if you can get it for dusky skin tones and for many skin tones, like for Indian skin tones. I really don't know that if there are more shades available. But I guess this was the last shade where I got it from. And but I really like this product. If you are from fair to medium skin tone, you can go ahead and buy this. And for dusky skin tones, you really need to find out if you get a good shade for yourself. So yes, this is what I feel about the product. If you did like my review, do subscribe and like my video. Comment below if you want me to review any of the products. I would love to do that. And till next time, bye.